we done?
What the hell?
Sige,
Too fast.
Sige.
Wasabi mo, Samson.
Flawless. Don't you know? Can't you
Go,
see?
go, 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 go.
Go pa. Stop right now. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey you, always on the run. Gotta slow it down, baby. Gotta have some fun. Libutin mga natin, libutin. Always stay together.
Okay.
Know who you are, and yes, you gotta break down. You cross the line, so you kinda have to turn around. Don't you know you're going too fast?
Napang round dito.
Just slow it down, read it, so you know just how you go. Stop right now, thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey you, always on the run.
Gusto ko nga ma-experience. Di ba ano lang yan? Para remote na gano'n.
Magkanya-kanyang
Hindi ka makaano. Diyan ka na-stuck.
Ikaw. Keep it down.
Tapos pag inabutan ka ng lunch break, diyan ka nakakain.
Tibay na.
Carol! Wala na. Stop right now. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey you, always on the run. Gonna slow it down, baby. Gonna have some fun. Thank you very much. I need somebody with a human touch. Hey you, always on the run. Gonna slow it down,
Rolling
baby.
Ling.
Gonna have some fun. Ano, pag nakasal po, tingin nun. Ay! 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 Okay!
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you! Thank you!
Showtime.
Napagod ako.
All the way.
Boys naman! Boys naman!
Patrick, ikaw lang
Bakit?
kumanta dito.
Patrick!
Spice Girls. Wala na si Jerry Halliwell.
Basang-basa.
Ay?
Esay na naman yan. Esay.
Listen.
Listen.
Hindi ko alam yung listen, pero doon na.
Time has come to dream.
Ayun, so si Beyonce.
Beyonce, yan!